Update. I believe we have a massive breakout about ready to happen on Matic here. You can see it broke this resistance here it had going on. Almost. Let me take a look here at something. It was almost like almost had a wedge pattern going on in here. You match these up a little bit. Almost. I mean, you could squeeze a wedge in there, I guess. Had a fake out to the bottom here. You know, these match up. As long as you have 3 touches, you know, it's a valid trend line. Okay, so this thing is breaking out on the daily RSI. Look at this thing, it's right at the bottom, you know. So if you look at the RSIs on this thing, the breakout of this, and on a daily time frame, I mean, this should be a massive move coming up on this thing. You know, I'd be looking for it heading up towards that 89-cent level, you know, in the not too distant future. If you go out on a weekly, now weekly we do have some bearish divergence here, 74 and an 85. Of course, that could be our pullback here before the big breakout. Let's see if we got it. Usually it's a 618 pullback. If we go to the very top here, the 618 would be right down here. Right at, what is that, 68 cents. Where we came close. We came down to 71. So, not too shabby there. On the monthly, we're just starting up on a monthly. So the monthly and the daily are just breaking out, okay? So this thing should be a pretty decent run. The 12 hour is getting near the top. That's probably why we got this 12-hour red candle. We'll look for a support level where this might be coming to. And the 8-hour is at the top here, okay? And where's our 4? The 4 is coming down, okay? So it looks like it's going to have a correction here in the short term before it really takes off. But I would be watching for that 618, especially on this daily. Now if we go where you should go with your fib is the beginning of the run, which is right here to the top. And if you haven't yet, guys, sign up for the you know, there's been a ton of people signing up for the level 3 trading courses I have. $14.99, you get 7 hours worth of videos teaching you how to do all this stuff. It's been going great. Got nothing but great reviews. I think I have 35 members now, and I have not got one bad review. So they've been going fantastic. People are learning a lot. They're doing a lot of this stuff on their own, and that's my goal. I really want. I paid, when I got into this stuff, I paid $500 for my course, okay, to take when I first got into crypto, to learn how to do this stuff. So you know, and I'm selling it. I'm giving it for $14.99. I obviously down the road here, I'm gonna raise the price. I have to when I get to be a bigger channel, but to survive right now in YouTube, you know, I just can't. I can't jack them prices up. So take advantage of it. $14.99, you'll get your $15 worth. I guarantee that. Okay. Like I said, if anybody's unhappy within the first couple days of buying it, I'll give you your money back. Okay. It's not going to let you keep it a week and then say, "Oh, I want my money back" after you watch all the videos. But just, you know, be honest. And I've had nobody say that they haven't liked them. So if you're interested, check them out, guys. I wish I would have had them the last bull run, because I tell you what, when the bull run comes and this top comes in, if you do not know when to sell, you're in a lot of trouble. All right, if you don't know when to sell this top, you're in a lot of trouble, and I show you how to how to do that, okay? Because if you ride this the whole way back down, you know, look at these profits up at 292, and if it's going down and you're thinking, oh, it's going to pump down, and it just keeps going, you lose all that money. Boy, if I knew now, you know, the old saying, you know, I wish I knew now. Well, however it's said, you know, I wish I would have known now what to do back then, is what I'm trying to get out, because I would have made a lot more money, that's for sure. All right, so on a daily, as far as the pullback, this thing could come down with it down to 71 cents before we get this bounce. Right now we're at a 618, so it could just take off from here. These RSIs, even though they're at the top, they can stay up there for a long time. This can, look how low it is down here. It's only at a 46. The 8 hours at a 47 down here, and the 4 hour is at a 51, and your daily is at a 49. And you can see how high these can go. Okay, now if we go back through them, I'll show you. That 12 is down here. You know, so they can shoot up pretty good. But looking for a big move coming out of Matic. Could have this small pullback down to possibly the 71 cent, and then the big bounce from there. You got very good support here too. Could also stop right there. Right at 73. You have really good support right through here, and you got support all through here. Actually, you got support there at 72, and then right where this 702 comes in. Look at that. Look at all that support right at 71 cents. So there's a lot of support through here. If it's not going to correct very hard, but you could get a correction out of here, especially with this 12 hour as high as it is. But you got your daily at the bottom and your monthly at the bottom, so the overall outlook for the next few weeks is upwards. You know, like I said, short-term correction, and then this thing should start taking off. I expect a pretty decent move out of this thing. If this is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, if this is a fourth wave pullback right here, we're looking at, and if you have the trading courses, you know how to do this. You know, you'd be looking for a target up here at about $1.29. You know, not too shabby from where we're at now. Okay, and that would be 5 waves up, which, you know, when you squeeze this down a little bit, that's not so unrealistic at all. All right, right here you would have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll see what happens, but in the short term, could have a short-term pullback. Then this thing should start bouncing. I don't think it's going to have a problem getting up to that 92 cents, then up to 93, then you have 98. I'm just showing you resistance levels, $1.03, and then $1.08 up there. And you got very good support down here at 73 and about 70 cents, 70, 71. So, all right, guys, thank you very much. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you very soon.